Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my chili flakes. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I got this dry chili from the Asian shop, and it's 50 grams each. So in total, I'll be using 100 grams of chili. So I'll just put the chili into my blender. So here I'll blend it up using pulses. Now you don't have to continuously blend or else you're gonna risk, turning it into powder. So I'll do this till I get the right size. After about a minute, it's all done now and I've got the perfect size flakes. After I'm done, I'll just pour it into a container and I'll just cover it and leave it in the kitchen cabinet. I'll use it whenever I need to. You don't need to keep this in the fridge because it's dry. So you can use this in all your hot, spicy recipes. Okay, so here we are, and I hope you do give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.